Simplification of rational numbers. The very first question is divide minus 8 by 13 by 3 by minus 26. So we have to divide this number by this number. So how we will write it? Minus 8 by 13 divide. We will use the sign of division here. 3 by minus 26. Now we cannot solve it like this. So first of all we have to change this division sign into multiplication 1 by taking the reciprocal of this number. So it will become minus 8 by 13 multiplied by minus 26 by 3. Now we will do the cancellations. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. Now we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. It comes out to be 8 twos are 16 divided by 3 ones are 3. See, the negative into negative, it will become positive. So the answer will be 16 by 3. Next is 13 by 5 multiplied by 8 by 3 minus 5 by 2 multiplied by 11 by 3. First of all, we will solve these brackets first and afterwards we will subtract the numbers. So it comes out to be 13 eights are, we will multiply in the numerators 104 by multiply the denominators 5 threes are 15 minus 5 11s are 55 and negative sign will become as it is divided by 2 threes are 6. Let us keep it in the bracket. Now we will open the bracket, then negative into negative it will become positive. So here it will become 104 by 15 as it is plus 55 by 6. Now we will take the LCM of 15 and 6 first. So it will go by table of 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. Now 5 1s are 5, 2 as it is and 2 1s are 2. Now we will multiply all these three numbers. So the LCM will be 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So we will make the denominator 30 of both these numbers. So 15 2s are 30. So we will multiply numerator and denominator with 2. So it will become 208 divided by 30 plus here 6 5s are 30. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 5. So 55 5s are 275 by 30. Now these are like fractions, so we can add the numerators. So it will come out to be 483 by 30. We will not add the denominators because these are rational numbers. So we will only add the numerators. These are like fractions now. So we will add the numerators. Next is find the value of 3 by 11 multiply minus 5 by 6 multiply minus 22 by 9 multiply by minus 9 by 5. So we have to multiply all these numbers. So we will write it again by opening the brackets 3 by 11 into minus 5 by 6 into minus 22 by 9 into minus 9 by 5. First of all we will do the cancellations here. See, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now this 2 can be cancelled out with this 22. 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. Now this 11 and this 11 they can cancel out. Afterwards this 5 can cancel out with this 5 and this 9 can be cancelled out with this 9. So we are left with nothing in numerator and denominators except 1. So the answer will be 1 here. Now check it out the negative signs. This is 1, 2, 3. So negative signs are 3 in number, means odd number. So here will be minus 1. Next is use distributivity of multiplication to simplify. So we have to use the distributive law here to simplify this number. So first of all we will solve this bracket first. This is two-way question. You can solve this bracket first, afterwards you can multiply the answer with 2 by 7. Or using distributivity means we will apply the law here. So first of all we will multiply 2 by 7 with 7 by 16 and afterwards we will multiply 2 by 7 with 21 by 4. So it will become 2 by 7 into 7 by 16. In between negative sign is there. We can keep it in the bracket to just differentiate it. So next will be 2 by 7 into 21 by 4. So this is the law of distributivity. What is the law of distributivity? If A by B multiplied by C by D minus E by F, then this will be equal to A by B multiplied by C by D minus A by B multiplied by E by F. So this is the law of distributivity that is we have just used here. So we will solve the brackets first. 7 will be cancelled out with 7. 2 ones are 2. 2 8s are 16 here. So it will become 1 by 8 minus. Now we will solve this bracket. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. So here it will become 3 by 2. So we will have now 1 by 8 minus 3 by 2. Now we will take the LCM of 2 and 8. We know the LCM of 2 and 8 will come out to be 8 only. Now we will make both the denominators same. So it is already 8. So 1 will be as it is minus here 2. 2 4s are 8. So we will multiply numerator with 4 also. 4 3s are 12. So it will become 1 minus 12 by 8. That will be minus 11 by 8 will be our answer. So this way we can use the law of distributivity to solve the question. Let us move to the next one. Again here also we will use the same rule. Okay. So first of all we will multiply 5 by 4 with 8 by 5 and afterwards we will multiply 5 by 4 with 16 by 5. So it will become minus 5 by 4 multiplied by 8 by 5. In between plus sign is here. So you will write here plus minus 5 by 4 multiplied by 16 by 5. Now we will cancel out the terms which can cancel out. 5 will be cancel out with each other. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here also same, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, or 5 and 5 will cancel out with each other. So here it will become minus 2 plus minus 4. So plus minus minus, so it will become minus 2 minus 4, that will be minus 6. So that will be your answer. I hope you understand the simplification. Next is the cost of 7 and 2 by 3 meter of rope is rupees 12 and 3 by 4. Then find the cost per meter. So we know the cost of 7 and 2 by 3 meter of rope is rupees 12 and 3 by 4. So we want to find out the cost of 1 meter of rope. So 1 meter of rope can be find out by dividing this cost by this measurement. So first of all we will change it into improper one. 12 4s are 48, 48 plus 3, that will be 51 by 4 divided by 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2, 23 by 3. So we have to change the division sign in multiplication by taking the reciprocal of this number. So it will become 51 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 23. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So it will become 153 by 92. So this will be the cost of 1 meter of rope. So rupees 153 by 92. You can divide it and give the answer in mixed fraction also. So it will become 1 and 61 by 92. So rupee 1 and 61 by 92. So that will be your answer. Thank you so much.